This video produced by Warren County Telecom explains the multi-assign and stacking features expected to go live December 14th, 2020 within your MDC's Mobile Enterprise program. These features are solutions to the following. Agencies want the ability to handle and clear low-priority calls even if already assigned to another call. Agencies also want the ability to grab each other's stacked calls and clear them. Solution number 1 is multi-assign. Multi-assign allows you to be simultaneously assigned to more than one call for service. The top left incident number box will reveal a circled number if you're multi-assigned. Click this box to reveal a drop-down of your assigned calls and to select the one you want to interact with. Calls are listed in the order they were assigned, oldest on top. We're researching the possibility to add further distinguishing details to this list, such as incident type or address, but there's no pathway yet. A huge caveat for multi-assign that you need to be aware of. The only on-screen notification you currently get when multi-assigned is the circled number in the top left corner. You also might see your status box change to dispatched. Your screen's focus is not pulled to the newly assigned call for service, forcing you to acknowledge it. When multi-assigned, your status and favorite buttons automatically associate to the newly assigned call, even if you're active on another call. To ensure your status changes associate to the correct call, you must click the top left corner and choose the call you're interacting with. Dispatch must receive verbal confirmation from you for any multi-assigned or stacked call. This will be especially important for fire EMS as they do not sit in front of an MDC during their shift unless they are on a call. Another small caveat is given through this example. 8-Pol 15 is on a domestic, then multi-assigned to a theft. 8-Pol 10 self-assigns to the theft and handles it. Although 8-Pol 10 handled it, the call cannot be closed out completely until 8-Pol 15 interacts with it, since they were the assigned unit. Another tip is from the unit screen, you can sort by unit to see who is assigned to more than one call, plus their latest status and duration for each. Solution number 2 is stacking. Stacking a call keeps it in the pending calls queue while noting the intended unit in the units column. The unit can complete their active call before beginning the stacked call. By enabling multi-assign, the stacking feature is now elevated to allow another unit to grab the call from the pending queue and self-assign as well. Benefits of stacking with multi-assign enabled. If 8-Pol 15 is on a domestic and a theft is stacked on them, 8-Pol 10 can self-assign to the stacked call, handle it, close it, and it will be removed from 8-Pol 15 stacked calls. Today, without multi-assign, although 8-Pol 10 handled the call, it has to stay open until 8-Pol 15 interacts with it. This new solution fixes that. Stacking lets an agency also manage their own calls in Area Command, like when in Condition 2. Some caveats of stacking. Only one unit can be assigned to a stacked call, so it is not ideal for 2+ unit responses. With multi-assign activated, you can self-assign to a stacked or pending call, even if already assigned to a call, and the system will multi-assign you to both. A stacked call cannot be closed out by the Emergency Communication Center until a unit interacts with it from within Mobile Enterprise. If a call begins as a stacked single unit call, then expands to a multiple unit call, dispatch will simply reconfigure and select the multi-assign option. To summarize, here are the Emergency Communication Center's intended operational procedures. For law enforcement, multi-assign for multiple unit responses and stack for single unit responses. For fire EMS, activate multi-assign, but do not use it unless requested by the agency. Instead, only use stack unless extenuating circumstances deem multi-assign necessary. This training video has been brought to you by Warren County Telecom. To see more training content, visit our website at www.warrencountytelecom.com.